What if I told you that there are 5 ways to improve your customer persuasion skills, boosting your shop sales? Would you keep watching? Would you? I won't keep you any longer. Roll the intro music. One of the toughest things to do when it comes to customer interaction is persuading them into a sale. To help make it easier, let's start with tip number 1. Show off your expertise. Think about it. Doctors, psychologists, lawyers, they always have their degrees and certifications on display in their office buildings. You should do the same. Have a degree? Hang it up on the wall in your office. What about technicians with ASE certifications? If these accomplishments are not shown off or explained to your customers during a sale, you may be missing out on a chance for them to immediately feel comfortable with you or your shop. Showing off your credentials can only increase your credibility. Our second tip is to find something in common with the customer. It's no surprise that people prefer interacting and doing business with those they can connect with. And what better way to connect with the customer than finding something in common with them? It doesn't even matter what you have in common, whether that be talking sports or chatting about the type of vehicle they have. Genuine connection will help with persuasion. The third tip is to compliment customers on their purchases, be that tires, shocks, brakes, heck, even wiper blades. Regardless of what it is, tell them "great choice" when they tell you what they want. Then explain why it's a great choice. Maybe you have those wiper blades on your personal vehicle or those tires. Either way, give them positive reinforcement to make them feel good about their purchase. Our fourth tip is to use the language of experts. You, your technicians, and your service advisors are all experts in your shop, so act like it. That means you should recommend, suggest, and advise. Using professional lingo and knowing what you're talking about makes it more likely that customers will go with your recommendations. Our fifth and final tip is to tell customers about your most expensive products first. Why? First off, if customers say yes, that means more profit for you. However, if they don't, you can recommend something at less expensive value, but still high quality. This strategy, known as concessional reciprocity, presents an option for customers who want to spend less, increasing the likelihood of a sale. Next video, we'll give you 5 more tips to boost your customer persuasion skills for sales. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.